Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video, I want to talk about printables and printables on Etsy. So, what is a printable? A printable is anything that you download from the computer and you print out. But specifically today, we're going to be talking about mermaid printables. So, if you go into Etsy, which is a marketplace where people go in to buy. So it's not just information, it's where people go in to buy. And you put in mermaid printables, and then we take a look and we scroll down. And I see something that I want to show you how I created it in Canva. I created something similar to this, but specifically, I'm going down and I found this and I clicked on the shop and we have this right here. So and it says they're sold separately. So they're selling sold separately. So they're selling each of these, I believe, for $5.50 a piece. Now, if you go into Canva, I'm going to show you the mermaid printables that I made right here. Now, how did I make these? Am I an artist? Absolutely not. What I do is I purchase the images that come with a license to combine these images. And again, no matter whatever site you're downloading from, make sure you read their license terms, okay, for each product that you download. But for this one, I found those mermaid elements on this site. And look how cute this is. Look at this. Mermaid scales, watercolor, mermaid stories. That's a script. And you got these mermaids, you got these mermaids. And I love this site because with one monthly subscription, you can download unlimited for 1 month subscription. Like I said, it's so simple. I love it. I love the subscription to Creative Fabrica. But anyway, so I got these mermaids and I uploaded the images. Okay, I'm not seeing them right here. As you can see, there's lots. Look how cute. Look how cute. And now I'm not an artist, so I love it that I can purchase images to use in print on demand and in printables too. I just love that. Okay, so anyway, you can purchase something similar. And then I went into Canva and I uploaded them into Canva. And now what you want to do is most printables like people print out and put on the wall are 8x10. So all you have to do is do custom size 8x10 and there you have your canvas. And then you take your elements that you have downloaded from the website and uploaded to Canva, and you create whatever it is you want to create. For example, look at these cute little bicycles. Look how cute that is. So you can do print on demand t-shirts, you can do printables, and I do both, as you can see. So I'm looking for my little mermaids. But look at all these cute images, and all these I purchased, and you can too. Okay, I think I'm getting into the bubbles. See the bubbles right here? Most of them say you cannot compete with their images. So you have to create your own combination of these graphics. So how cute is that? Look at this. Look at this little oyster shell. How cute that is. So you can double click on it. You can just drag it. Drag and drop. It's not wanting to drag and drop in a minute here. Probably because I'm recording the screen. Okay, we're hung up just a little bit. Here we go. There we go. So we have that. We have the little blue fish. So all you do is double click or drag. I think my internet's running a little slow. Come on, no fishy. Okay, I'm going to reload here. And sometimes, that's what happens when you're working on the internet. Okay, so uploads, and I go back down and see all these cute flowers, bicycles, but we're talking about the mermaid niche because it is a big niche on Etsy. And it's a big niche because you have a lot of mamas who, they're decorating their children's rooms. And this I love, this little pearl, undersea pearl right here. I absolutely love that. And again, I think it's because I'm recording the screen, but when I got finished combining these elements, it looked like this and this, okay? And all you have to do then is upload it to either Etsy or your blog or Shopify, and you can advertise them using similar keywords to the ones that are already selling. So, for example, this one, you could call yours Mermaid Nursery Prints, Mermaid Wall Decor, set of 4. I wouldn't bother with that, but I would use these keywords and I would use Nursery Art Prints, and I would fill up my keyword title, my title with all of that and my tags. And as you can see, these are selling. Okay, January, February. And you could sell them, see, set of 4 for $10. And all they do is you give them an instant digital download, 8 by 10, just like I showed you. Now, I have a friend, her name is Carmen, and Carmen has absolutely gorgeous designs that she sells on her website. And she is about to release a course tomorrow. It's June 1st. And it's about how to do exactly what I just showed you, except in a lot more detail. It's going to be an how to make printables with Canva. And see, look how cute Carmen's planners and printables are. I mean, really, really, really cute. She's got all kinds of templates, Easter clip art. She works really, really hard. Beautiful life planner and stickers, productivity planners. Look at all this. This is what she does every day in, day out. She works really hard making these, but you may think I can't do that, but I just showed you, you can do this. All you have to do is put the elements and create a new design. And she's going to tell you how to do this with Canva. And then you can upload them to Etsy. And what you do is you find the ones that are selling well, okay? And you just take some of the keywords and use similar keywords because Etsy is a search engine. And they're going to find you by putting in Mermaid Nursery Prints. Now, if you get Carmen's course through my link, I will give you those mermaid printables that you can use and upload for your shop, okay? And so you're going to want to see what Carmen's got. And her sales page link is not live. Let me pause this just for a moment.